Hello and welcome to the Did You Know portal. I am your host, Seven. Today, we're diving deep into the world of fasting, a practice steeped in tradition and shrouded in myths. Are you ready to debunk some fasting myths? Let's get started. Have you ever wondered if fasting is a healthy way to lose weight or just another harmful fad? Fasting, a practice as old as time, has recently gained popularity in the realm of weight loss. A plethora of myths surround this ancient practice, and today we begin our journey to debunk them. First up, the myth that fasting slows down metabolism. Contrary to what you may have heard, research suggests that short-term fasting can actually increase your metabolic rate. How, you ask? Fasting prompts the body to convert stored fat into energy, a process that can rev up your metabolism. It's like putting your body's engine into high gear, helping you burn calories more efficiently. Studies also indicate that fasting can stimulate the production of a protein called human growth hormone, which aids in metabolism and weight loss. So, contrary to popular belief, fasting can actually help to increase your metabolism, not slow it down. Moving on to our second myth. Does fasting lead to muscle loss? A common belief, but one that's not quite accurate. Many fear that fasting will cause their hard-earned muscles to waste away. However, the science tells a different story. Research, including a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, reveals that fasting can indeed preserve muscle mass. This is primarily due to the fact that during a fast, the body shifts from using glucose as its main fuel source to using fat, sparing muscle in the process. Furthermore, fasting also triggers the release of human growth hormone, which is known to preserve muscle tissue and promote fat loss. In addition, fasting, particularly intermittent fasting, encourages the body to enter a state called ketosis, where it efficiently burns fat for energy, again preserving those precious muscles. Therefore, fasting doesn't lead to muscle loss, but rather promotes fat loss while preserving muscle mass. Next up is a common concern. Does fasting lead to nutrient deficiencies? It's a question that's often asked, and the answer might surprise you. Contrary to popular belief, fasting doesn't necessarily lead to nutrient deficiencies. In fact, research suggests the opposite. Fasting can enhance your body's nutrient absorption. When you're in a fasted state, your body becomes more efficient at absorbing nutrients from the food you eat. Moreover, fasting initiates a process called autophagy. It's a cellular cleanup mechanism where your body recycles old, damaged cells and uses them for energy and to create new, healthier cells. This process can lead to improved overall health. Of course, it's essential to ensure a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals when you're not fasting. But to say that fasting inherently causes nutrient deficiencies is a misconception. So fasting, when done correctly, can actually improve nutrient absorption and promote better health. Now let's tackle two myths in one go. Does fasting cause low blood sugar and is it dangerous? There's a common belief that fasting can lead to hypoglycemia or low blood sugar. However, research suggests that fasting can actually stabilize blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This is because during a fast, your body switches from using glucose to using fat as its primary energy source, resulting in a steadier supply of energy and potentially more stable blood sugar levels. The second myth we're addressing is the idea that fasting is inherently dangerous. Like any dietary regimen, fasting should be approached with care, but it is not inherently dangerous. In fact, when done properly, it can offer a host of health benefits. Studies indicate that fasting can promote autophagy, a cellular cleanup process, and may even contribute to longevity. As we see, fasting can stabilize blood sugar levels and is not inherently dangerous. Before we move on to the next myth, it's time for a little interaction. We want to hear from you. What's the most surprising fact you've learned so far from our myth-busting journey? Leave your answers in the comments section below. And while you're there, why not give this video a thumbs up if you're finding it helpful? Don't be shy, like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's move on. So, we've looked at some common myths about fasting. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned. Fasting doesn't slow down metabolism. In fact, it can give your metabolism a boost, aiding in weight loss. It doesn't cause muscle loss either. Fasting can be a friend to your muscles, preserving mass while promoting fat loss. Nutrient deficiencies? Not necessarily. Fasting can improve nutrient absorption, promoting better overall health. And those fears about low blood sugar? Fasting can actually stabilize blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. As for the notion that fasting is dangerous, The truth is that fasting can be safe and beneficial when done properly. Always remember, while fasting can have numerous health benefits, it's important to approach it wisely and, if necessary, under medical supervision. Fasting is a tool, not a magic bullet, and like any tool, it's all about how you use it.